Arthropoda. Arthropoda, that means appendages are jointed. Appendages, foot-like structures are the jointed. That means arthropoda means. Student, it is the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. Arthropoda, it is the largest phylum. Okay. Next, another, it is also includes with the largest class, that is insecta. Insect is the largest class among all the phylums which are present in the kingdom Animalia. Student, 2 by 3rd of the total animals that is includes in the phylum Arthropoda. Okay, in total animals. So these are triploblastic animals, student. These are triploblastic animals. Entire the body is formed by 3 layers. Body is developed from 3 embryonic germinal layers, which are called ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Triploblastic animals. These are the animals who shows bilateral symmetry. Okay, symmetry. Which type of the symmetry present in this animal? That is bilateral symmetry. Student, animals from the platyhelminthes. All the animals shows the bilateral symmetry. Next, metamerism, student. Metamerism, that means segmented body is present in these animals. Body is divided into segments. Okay, that is called metamerism. Next, cytocoelomates, student. These are the animals show cytocoelom, which is obtained from the splitting of the mesoderm layer. So these are cytocoelomates. Next, body is covered with chitinous skeleton. Entire the body is covered with a hardest exoskeleton structure that is made up with the chitinous exoskeleton. Next, student, it is provides also helps in prevents the loss of the water from the animal's body. Okay. Next, it is also goes to periodically shed off at the process of the development of the larva into the mature form, that is called molting or ecdysis. Molting or ecdysis. Okay, periodically shed off the outer surface of the immature form, that is helps to develop into the matured form, adult form, that is called molting or the ecdysis. During the process of molting ecdysis, this is the chitinous exoskeleton periodically shed off and newly forms. Its body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen. Body is differentiated into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Next to that, body is also have body shows jointed appendages. Okay, hence the phylum name Arthropoda. Student, striated muscles first time appeared in these animals. These are the striated muscles helps in locomotion. Student, body cavity is hemocoel. That is the hemocoel totally filled with the blood. Body cavity of these animals called hemocoel. It is totally filled with the blood. That is the blood is called hemolymph. Hemolymph is colorless. It is the hemocoel formed by fusion of embryonic blastocele. What about the embryonic blastocele? In the developmental history of the animal, one of the stage is called blastula. Blastula is with a cavity blastocele. Okay, by the fusion of the embryonic blastocele and with some amount of the coelomic spaces present in the body of the animal. Okay, by this hemocoel is formed in the animal filled with the hemolymph. And coelom, cytocoelom means reduces to spaces around the excretory organs and the reproductive organ. Outer surface, outer surrounding place of the excretory organs and gonads shows the cytocoelom. Coelom is reduces to outer surface surrounding regions of the some important organs in the body. Next student, another excretory organs are respiratory organs. Respiratory organs are gills, book lungs, trachea. These are the respiratory organs in arthropods. Next, circulatory system is open type. Open type circulatory system is present in these animals, but unless shows closed type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system, that means blood flows in the spaces in the body. Blood does not flows the blood vessels. Next, heart is dorsal in position. Heart is dorsal in the position. Next student, some crustaceans, some amount of the crustaceans and chelysarids. These are group of animals, crustaceans, chelysarids. Contain copper containing respiratory pigment, that is called hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is the respiratory pigment in these animals and shows contains copper containing respiratory pigment, that is called hemocyanin. It is the hemocyanin dissolved in the hemolymph student. Next, and the nervous system that contains nerve ring. Nervous system is with the nerve ring which surrounds the esophagus. Okay, esophagus, around esophagus. Student, in the annelids also shows nerve ring around the pharynx, but arthropods nerve ring around the esophagus. Okay, and also with the double ventral nerve cord. Nervous system is with the nerve ring around the esophagus and also with the double ventral nerve cord. Next, sense organs. Which are the sense organs in these animals? Antenna. Antenna are the segmented, elongated structures. Okay, locates at the either sides of the head. Act as antenna. Okay, student. Antenna act as sensory structures. Sensory organs are antenna, eyes. Eyes are available in compound eyes and simple eyes. And statocysts. Statocysts are the sensory structures. Organs helps in balance or the equilibrium of the body. Okay, student. Statocyst also with the statolith. In student, excretion is by Malpighian tubules, green glands, coxal glands. Coxal glands, Malpighian tubules, and green glands. These are the excretory structures in arthropods. Next, animals are dioecious. These are sexually separated. Unisexual are also called gonochoric. Males, females are available in these animals. Fertilization is internal, inside the body. Okay. Next, oviparous. These are the animals lays eggs. Okay. Next, development is a direct. That means direct or indirect. Both type of the development present in these animals. Some animals shows direct development, some animals shows indirect development. Okay, which are the animals shows indirect development in these animals? Also shows metamorphosis. Student, one to many larva stages are present in their developmental history. Immature form develop into the mature form or the adult form by the two or more larva stages, developmental stages, that is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, that means immature form, larva form develop into the adult form by the formation of the two or more stages, that is called metamorphosis. Next example, Periplaneta student, cockroach name, scientific name of the cockroach, Periplaneta, Cancer, Pelomnius, scorpion, Aronia, spider, Apis student, Bombyx, silkworm, Carria, Lucifer. Next, student, these are economically important insects, Apis, Bombyx, Carria. Next, these are the Anopheles, Culex, Aedes. These are the insects act as a vectors which transmits the pathogens from one host to the another host. Anopheles, Culex, Aedes act as a vectors which transmits the parasitic stages of the animals from one animal to another animal. Next, Limulus, it is a living fossil. Okay, sir? Living fossil is Limulus.